Igbo Crado. So today that happens to be a Mother's Day is the only day you can call your wife out on this social media by putting your mom's picture and began to call your wife a shower, began to give her a whole lot of names. Tomorrow, they will go and begin to say, forgive him, he's your husband, forgive him, mother, forgive him now, it's okay, forgive him. So, my brother, let me ask you, with what eyes will you have when this woman will come back to you and tomorrow you people will go to function? And how do you want people to respect this wife of yours today? Maybe tomorrow when you guys come back, how would you want people to respect her? The same woman the husband came to social media to tell us that the wife is nothing but a miliki. How would you want people to respect this young woman tomorrow? And how would you want your son to see you tomorrow when he grows and see that my father came to social media to disgrace my mom and call her miliki and said a whole lot of things against my mother? How would you feel when this boy begins to drag you tomorrow about what you did to his mother? Now you can't begin to praise your mother, and you even had the temerity, you took a little baby like that away from his mom. Are you okay? Igbo Crado, I'm jogging. Before I proceed, let me give this advice. If you're a young man, you don't have money, and you have inferiority complex, don't go and marry a beautiful woman. If you know you're a man, you do not have money, you have inferiority complex, you believe that another man can take your wife away, do not go and marry a beautiful woman. Look for ugly wife and marry. Because if you marry a beautiful woman, whether you like it or not, people will say hello to her. I am not saying that the woman should go and misbehave. No. Whether you like it or not, people will see her beauty. You're not the only one seeing her beauty. But your confidence in you is the only thing that will make you know that this is my wife. No man is going to take her away from me. But as soon as you have that inferiority complex, you will always believe that any man that say hello to your wife don't knock her. Anybody that say, how are you? I shall watch, she don't sleep with this one. So for you as a man, please avoid beautiful woman if you know you have inferiority complex. Because if you do not listen to me, you will end up like Igbo Crado that came here now to tell us, say the wife na shawo diobo miliki, always on the phone. And you know, some of these people that with this blessing of inferiority complex, a lot of them, they want you to carry them, you know, with oja. Use something and back them on your back so that you don't look at any other person. Once they see you with their phone, their mind is telling them you're chatting with a man. Once you smile on your phone, they don't want to see whether you're watching a video. Their mind is telling them it is another man that is making her happy. When she look at the man's picture, this man will begin to say, oh, she's looking at this man because he's more wealthy than me, or he's more handsome than me. Why is she looking at this man? Is because you have not come to that term that no man is gonna take your wife away from you. So why am I saying this? Igbo Crado. You see, if you get a feather, or maybe you get a fowl, a chicken, hen, whatever you call it, once you remove the feather and release it on the air, whether you like it or not, you can never bring all the feathers back. Some have gone and they can never come back again. That's the same way if you come to social media to disgrace your husband or your wife, it is there. You have made that statement, you can never take it back. No matter whatever you say, people like us will not take you serious anymore. Now, you have destroyed the image of your so-called wife. Why, if I may ask you, Igbo Crado, are we your umonna? Why coming to social media to disgrace your wife? Why do you have to go this far? Because your mind is telling you if you disgrace her, those men that is chasing her will run away from her. Your mind is telling her and is telling you, if I disgrace her, people will see her as a bad woman. Nobody will love her again. Nobody will show her favor. Let me go to social media and disgrace her so that people will see her as an irresponsible woman. So I want to say this to we online in-laws. Ignore this young man they call Igbo Crado. What is going on with Igbo Crado is what they call the pre, because he knew too well he is married to a beautiful woman. He doesn't have all it takes to take care of this woman, you know, because na ye young man won't be. And that's why he want to destroy her name and her reputation on this blue app. Or maybe, you know, when some of these people, they don't commit one kind thing and their wife is not in support, their mind is telling them, you know what, before she will come to social media to disgrace you, let us go first of all and disgrace her there, and they will come. Or because before he will disgrace me, let me go to social media and disgrace him first. This is, we have people like that, and this is exactly what this young Igbo Crado is doing. I remember I called this guy out. I said, be careful how you drag people's wife. Be careful before you begin to call a woman ashawo. Be careful, you don't know. Go through my page. Hardly will you see me begin to call a woman ashawo. I don't do it. In fact, I feel somehow calling a woman ashawo. The only woman I can tell you I called Tiffy husband is only Juju Obasi and the professor of Ebongi or honorable of Ebongi of Two-Face Idibia. These are only two women because of what? They came into somebody's family. They knew too well that this man has a wife at home. Yet the man came to them and told them, oh, you know you are the commissioner of peace or maybe the minister of peace. Please help me, give me peace and let me chase my wife away. You know, that's what their mind is always telling them. And now they will come and begin to tell you, I gave him peace. He doesn't have peace at home. I gave him peace. He doesn't have peace at home. The same Juju Obasi left her husband, even though she happens to be a minister of peacekeeping. She left the ex-husband. In fact, she left two different guys before you. Okay? Now, and claim that she is giving yo peace. Now, the professor of Ebongi or honorable of Ebongi of Natash, even her herself, get a baby boy, a boy that it should be around, you know, a preteen, you know. She left somebody with a baby boy. She did not give that peace to that guy, but she came and gave peace to Two-Face Idibia. You know, they know how to give peace, but it's okay. We are just watching them. We are just watching them. Let us see if God will not disgrace them for collecting something that belongs to another woman. If a man is divorced and the man approach you, please, I want to settle down with you. My dear wonderful sister, go ahead. I can never condemn you for doing that. There is a difference that a man don't divorce the wife before he come in contact with you than a man is still legally married to his wife. And you began to date the man, and now the man is telling you peace. The man that is talking about peace, did that man give the wife peace by coming to you? If another man is the one knocking his wife, will he come and tell you, say, my wife is giving me peace? Or will he come and tell you, my wife is not giving me peace, so look at my wife is knocking somebody? You people should be very careful before you begin to do some certain things. So Igbo Crado, congratulations. You know, I told you that this thing you are doing is going to visit you very soon. Now, it don't visit you. May God bless every one of you. My name is Remain Obun Blog. Iwa mulonze mukino ozo. Eke nengi kene mwana malagifa. Siginega dikechi. Nichada agwagu. Bye.